Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $200 plus a day on Temu. So if you want to use this application, you just need to go to the Google Play Store and try to install or download this one. So go to the search box and type on Temu. As you can see, Temu shop like a billionaire. So once you've done, tap on open. Now right here, if you want to earn a rewards or gift right here, you just go to the search box and I want to type right here redeem and tap this one. And as you can see, you just need to sign in your account or continue with Google. So once you've done, as you can see, click in start to get your credit. So start, and you receive some credit right here. Spin the wheel to earn star coins. So you can earn a lot of money right here. You just have to play this one and you can get a lots of coins. And you can also refer a friend and then tap this one so you can get a next spin. So for example, I will tap this refer one friend and you will see a message pops up, refer friends and earn star coins together. And you can also tap this link right here. Your link is copied, and as you can see on number 3, get your reward from each successful referral from the spin wheel. Now you can go to this profile and you can go to these earn credits and free gifts. And as you can see, there's a lot of ways on how you can earn money and get a free gifts from Temu. So you just explore this up, guys, and you can see that you can earn a lot of more than $200 plus a day on this Temu. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.